How to change your homepage in Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to set up or to change your homepage in the Squarespace website. So we are going to head over squarespace.com, sign in for an account, and we're going to visit our account dashboard. So once we have did that, we're going to head over the website that we want to set up the process for. Click on go to website. From here, we're going to be in this specific place. We are going to head over the left side of the screen, select websites, and then we're going to select from this extended menu pages. Now, from the pages, you're going to distinguish that the home page is going to be represented at the limit or the left limit side by a home icon. So as you can see on this one, which is going to be work, we have a home icon on it at the left side of it. So that means that this is our home page. Now, how we can make another page as a home page? For example, I am going to visit the store page and I want to make it as my home page. I'm not going to click on it, but I'm going to click on the gear icon, which is going to represent the settings or the parameters of the page. Click on it. And we're going to focus on the general settings. We're going to have the page title and etc. We are not going to have them changed. But if you want to change the page title as home, it's going to be up to you. For example, home. The store navigation is going to be also home. And the slug, I'm going to make it home. So we are going to make it fully home page. We're going to scroll down. And we are going to see a button before the deleting of the page, which is going to be the last button, set as a home page. We're going to click on it, confirm, and boom. Now we are going to save the settings for everything like that. And you're going to see that we have the home page represented by a home. And also it is going to be having the home icon. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content. And I hope to see you soon on the next one.